arm is stuck. Should I wink? Just let me lick the lens. Ew, it tastes like metal! Is it cleaning it? Yeah. Ew, that was like clearer. It's like putting a battery. It's clearer. It's like putting a battery up to your nose. Seatbelts. Hold on, I'm driving like a seatbelt gang or die. Gang or die. It was the camera, I swear. It looks nice. I swear it's the camera. I'm thinking. No, I'm not. You're good. You want to go into Ross? Oh wait, we have to find a dumpster. We're gonna go clean Caitlin's car. Can we put in the donation center? Oh wait, go behind all the right here. Fuck yeah. Where? Right in front of your face. Isn't that a dumpster? No, it's a donation center. Go behind the buildings. Where's the building? I don't know. No, forward. Oh no, yeah, you go this way. If you go behind the buildings, there must be a dumpster. Like, is this behind? No, that's gonna go into Staples. We can go inside. Loading dock. Yeah. Can we go into Petco? No, we need to clean up my car. Look at my car. Disgusting. 10 points if I hit the light. 10 points if I hit the light. 10 points if I hit the light. 10 points if... How white? Oh, the balls. The ass. Okay, where's behind the stores? They say it. Am I behind the stores yet? Caitlin? How do I get behind the stores? I don't know. I'm gonna run up this truck. Go up the truck! Go up the truck! Seriously, how do I get behind the phone? I don't know, we just need to find a dumpster. I know. Find a dumpster! I need a name for this. Dumpsters. Are these dumpsters? No, those are sheds for Home Depot. What the fuck? What Danny's car wash has to have a dumpster somewhere. In here? No, loading dock. It's hot in here. It's hot. Oh, well, now I'm leaving. Oh. Okay, well, I guess I'm leaving. Well, this is awkward.